This is the Caseology screen protector for the iPhone 16 series, and it provides one of the best screen protector fitments, all thanks to this red SnapFit technology tray. It comes in a pack of 2 and can be bought for as little as $14. A QR code on the front leads to a video installation guide by Caseology, making installations an absolute breeze. At the rear, we can see the usual far-fetched claims of 9H hardness, fingerprint resistance, and some random design award. The only thing of note here is the case was imported on August 2024, which is one whole month before the iPhone 16s were even announced. Inside the box, there are 2 screen protectors which are pre-installed onto the SnapFit tray, a bubble removal tool which is attached to an installation pad, a pouch containing 2 sets of wet wipes, dust removal stickers, and a microfiber cloth, plus 2 installation manuals. The first step shown on here is to prep the phone. Everything one needs to do so is provided inside this clear pouch, so I will keep all of these to the side and start the process by opening one of the alcohol wipes. You can skip this stage if you haven't yet peeled the protective paper on the front of your brand new iPhone, but if you've touched the screen even once, it's recommended to use this to remove any oil stains. For this, one can wipe in any direction, but be sure to cover all corners of the screen. And wipe your fingers with it afterwards so you don't leave smudges on the glass later on. Next, wipe the alcohol streaks with the microfiber cloth, and for this, move in a neat top to bottom motion so any lint transferred to the glass is moved to the bottom edge. Then peel away the large dust sticker, and to remove all the dust or lint left over by the microfiber cloth, move from the bottom to top or from the top to bottom following a Z profile. Now onto what you are here for, the installation process. While Caseology does provide an installation pad/mat, I found it to be a tad wobbly due to the cutout on the top right corner. Hence, I just used the outer packaging. Since we have the pad and cleaning sorted out, the following steps include peeling away the back film, snapping the tray onto the iPhone, and then removing the tray and the protective covers. So one needs to start by flipping the tray over to the back and then pull on the tab saying back removal to remove the plastic backing. Then flip it back to the front, check for the 2 arrows and text marking the top of the screen, and carefully drop it onto the iPhone and apply pressure until it snaps into place. Fourth which, one has to immediately press and slide along the sticker on the central spine to activate the adhesive, which takes 30 seconds to apply. After 30 seconds, slowly peel away the central sticker starting from the very bottom. Then lift the SnapFit tray away from the iPhone and remove the plastic aligner sheet left on the tempered glass. If I lift the iPhone to catch the light better, you might notice the air bubbles around the edges and one at the center of the screen, but there's no need to fret. Just take the included squeegee tool, which has a tip wrapped in a piece of microfiber cloth, and press hard on the screen to squeeze the bubbles outward, working your way across the entirety of the screen protector perimeter. To test the alignment, I'll unlock the iPhone and open settings, and against this white background we can appreciate the insanely thin bezels of the iPhone 16 Pro. But from this close of a range, it is very apparent that the fitment, while very good, is just a smidge, like barely half a millimeter shifted over to the right of the screen. But we're splitting hairs at this point, and it's miles better than what could be achieved by you just winging it. As for the rest of the fitment quality, it is absolutely perfect. There are 0 bubbles left on the screen protector, absolutely 0 traces of any dust particles, and smudges on the screen caused due to bare-handed installation are a thing of the past. One bonus feature about the SnapFit aligner tray is that although it comes pre-installed with its own clear plastic aligner sheet, you can reassemble any brand of screen protector onto the back, as in reality it's these 4 rails which ensure the perfect positioning along with the slide installation sticker. If you made it this far into the video, do hit that like button. So then, should you avoid Caseology SnapFit screen protector, consider it, shortlist it, or go right ahead and buy it? Well, I reckon you should buy Caseology SnapFit screen protector, since not only does the SnapFit technology ensure a good alignment, but the tools and supporting accessories inside the box are of very high quality.